Good evening, everyone. Today I will be discussing on the topic PMLA. Basically, PMLA stands for Prevention of Money Laundering Act. And before discussing the real topic, we need to understand what is the money laundering. So, money laundering basically means the misrepresentation or the conversion of a money which is being illegally occupied by various unlawful sources is being used or the given to the people who are funding the terrorism or doing the drug trafficking or the human trafficking, etc. And so now the PMLA, that is the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, was enacted by the Government of India in the year 2002 under the Vienna Convention, which was promised by the Government of India at the global level to fight against the money laundering. And this under this money laundering act, various powers have been given to the enforcement directorate, that is the investigation agency which comes under the Ministry of Finance of Government of India. And the powers which are being given are to search or to investigate, to seize, or even to arrest any person or an individual which is being found guilty under this act. And this law is applicable to either any individual or any company or any office, anything. And so now let's discuss why the PMLA is news recently. So various amendments have been done in the past in the PMLA, and the opposition parties and the many people are blaming the government that the government has given various powers to the excessive powers to the enforcement directorate, ED, to search and to investigate the people. And also there has been allegation that ruling party is using enforcement directorate and the PMLA against the opposition party to take the revenge against the corruption cases which have been done in the past. And the very famous case is the National Herald case, which is being going against the Sonia Gandhi and the Rahul Gandhi from the past few months. And the enforcement directorate has been continuously questioning them, and various other cases as well. As you might have heard various things or the various investigations about the ED in the past. So now let's talk about what are the real problems in the PMLA. So the very first challenge in the or the problem in the PMLA is the EDIR, the same as the FIR, the first information report. So EDIR is basically Enforcement Directorate information report. So what happens is, as unlike the normal FIR, so a person or a accused who is being guilty is told like what are the allegations which are being under which he has been charged. But under the EDIR, so the person who is accused is never told or showed the EDIR that what are the allegations which are being implemented against him. So very first drawback is this. And the other is that this PMLA is different from the normal criminal law, because in the normal criminal law, an accused is considered as an innocent until he is proven guilty by the court or the any other judiciary. But here in the PMLA, the person is accused and he has to prove his own innocence. And the other thing is, there is a section 63 in the PMLA itself. It says that a person who is accused, he has to prove his own innocence by providing the information by himself. And if he is giving false information, or he is abstaining from giving information, that will be means those will be again the charges will be extra charges will be filed against him. So these are the real problems. And the various cases and the petitions has been filed in the Supreme Court as well in the recently by the opposition parties against this law. But the Supreme Court has said that this is a unique and the special legislative law, and it cannot be changed, and it is very much effective as well. So in my opinion, what can be the way forward is that there are really some loopholes in this PMLA, and some kind of excessive powers have been given to the enforcement directorate. So there need to be a Supreme Court can form a committee on this and can reform this law, and surely it will benefit the opposition as well as the common people and the ruling party as well. Thank you.